Here is how to make a wholesome oatmeal apple cake that's naturally sweetened and nutritious. If you're without oat flour, simply process 1.3 cups of rolled oats along with 1 tablespoon of baking powder in a food processor until it achieves a flour-like consistency. Next, in the food processor, blend 2 large peeled sweet apples, such as Gala or Fuji, until smooth. In a mixing bowl, blend the pureed apples with 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once combined, gradually fold in the oat flour until well incorporated. Transfer the cake batter into a 7-inch spring-form tin, evening out the surface. Garnish with dried cranberries or raisins and a sprinkle of crushed nuts. Bake in a preheated oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. If you liked this healthy oatmeal apple cake recipe, then check out also how to make these 2-ingredient sweet potato oatmeal cookies here. Check it out now.